Welcome back, friends, to TV5 News at 9. It is time now for Legally Speaking with Attorney Carol Thomas. Thank you for being here. How are you?
Wonderful. Thank you for having me back, Colette.
You're so welcome. You're staying cool and hydrated today, right? It's a hot one.
It's going to be hot, isn't it?
Right. We're so glad you're here. We are talking about elder law, estate planning, and trust. Now, Attorney Thomas, you always talk about protecting your assets as someone goes to us to tell us about the basic estate planning documents that you should have. What are those that we need? Basic estate planning documents.
Okay, and I really haven't talked about just the basics, so I thought it was time to do that. So really, Colette, people have three choices.
Okay.
They can do nothing, they can set up a will, or they can set up a trust. Now, do nothing is simple, but it just causes problems for families, and parents want to do what's best for their children, and when children lose a parent, it's heartbreaking, so you don't want to make it harder. A will is wonderful for younger people if they have children who will raise their children. So that's the purpose of a will.
Okay.
I say as people get over 50, if they have a home, absolutely they need a trust, because a trust not only avoids probate, it makes it easier, but if there is ever a nursing home situation, it can help get assets protected.
Well, those are so many important points a lot of people do not know about. Attorney Thomas, so what is another important document that we all really need?
The next important document is a financial power of attorney. Power of attorney document is where if you're not able to handle your finances, whether it's an accident, medical crisis, you've named someone to take care of things for you. Because if you don't have this set up and you have a crisis, legally no one can pay your bills, no one can maybe take distributions from IRAs, so then we'd have to go to court and set up a conservatorship. So everyone, certainly over the age of 50, should have a financial power of attorney.
Okay, that's great to know. Are there any other documents that we really need to learn about today that we should know?
Yes, another extremely important one is the medical power of attorney.
Medical.
The medical is where you name who do you want to make your medical decisions if you cannot. And Colette, anyone over the age of 18 should have a medical power of attorney, because people don't often think when their children are 19 or 20, if they're in a car accident, the parents no longer have any legal right to make decisions. And you know the nice thing, Colette, medical powers of attorney are free at every hospital. Most physicians have them, so there really isn't an excuse for someone not to have a medical power of attorney, just to make things easier for your loved ones.
Okay, hope viewers, you are jotting all this down. This is really valuable information. Anything else any message that you'd like to give to viewers out there?
You know, Colette, I know I sound like a broken record, but please, people need to consider getting things done. I hear every day, oh, I don't think this will ever happen to me, and it's why people maybe didn't get things done. But one thing we're sure of, all of us are going to die at some point. Don't make it harder for your loved ones. Don't make them have to be involved in the probate system and the legal system.
You don't think about it. Accidents happen all the time. People get sick. There are so many things. You don't ever want to procrastinate. I think you always say that. Don't hesitate. Don't procrastinate.
Don't wait.
Yeah, do not wait. Thank you again for this valuable information. We appreciate
you.
Of
Thank
course.
you, Colette.
You are so welcome. If you at home want more information, just head on over to the hot link section at WNEM.com. Stick around. Matthew has a look at the very, very hot forecast after the break.